Hello again, Zach Jones here from Recruit. Job descriptions are dead, and please forgive the dramatics, but let's talk about what killed them. And first, let's start with why this is important and why I'm discussing this at all. We've all seen stats and studies that show attention spans are at incredible lows, measured in seconds, not minutes, for all ages, but especially for younger adults. Attention spans are so low they practically don't exist anymore. Few, if any of us, when presented with a lengthy amount of copy, are going to read it in its entirety. We may skim it. If it is a topic that we're already engaged in or connected to, a small percentage of us may read it, but most will skim or just ignore it. And as I'm saying this, I suspect that you're nodding your head in agreement with me. You know this is true. However, most manufacturers working to recruit more ideal applicants are still creating and posting endless job descriptions, descriptions that would be several pages long if printed. And here's the sad, frustrating reality. No one is likely to ever read it, certainly not as closely as the person that wrote it, and it doesn't matter how well it was written. When adults, especially younger adults, see paragraphs of text, they're moving on. So, if long-form copy is dead, then surely traditional job descriptions are dead also. Now think about it. All day, every day, we all consume hours of video. We watch sports, we watch news, we watch YouTube videos, we watch videos of friends on Instagram and Snapchat. We watch movies and shows on Netflix, etc. How you describe and share details of your manufacturing jobs and openings needs to evolve too. You must start transitioning to leveraging video for your recruitment efforts. Don't write pages of copy explaining what the job entails. Instead, create a video that shows a current employee using your technology and performing the job. Feature interviews with current employees discussing what they enjoy about working for you and what applicants should expect during training or once they start, etc. Video is cheaper than ever to produce, and it's more desired than ever. It isn't often that things line up like that, so use it to your advantage. Now, sure, you're still going to have some written copy in your job listings. But if you engage prospects with video or some other interactive content first, they'll be infinitely more likely to read it. At Recruit, we customize recruitment strategies for manufacturers, so consider taking advantage of our manufacturing recruitment blueprint. This process involves me meeting with you and then our team developing the perfect recruitment strategy for your needs and goals. Shoot me an email, zach@recruit.com, to schedule a complimentary call so you can decide if this is a good fit for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.